Start manifesting the life that you truly desire, that you crave in your heart and your soul right now. Hello everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle, flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. Oh, it feels good to be soaring high, to be manifesting the life that you truly desire, to have the skills and the power to be able to simply say, this is what I desire, and have it appear. And you have that ability. You have that power. You know, you remember the movie The Secret? In the beginning, they showed this guy on the forge, and it was all kind of a greenish hue. What they were referring to was the ancient emerald tablet of Hermes. And the emerald tablet of Hermes states, as above, so below. As below, so above. In other words, that which is inside you is reflected in your world, and your world reflects that which is inside you. Now, the ancient alchemists who studied and based their life and their teachings on these ancient principles of Hermes came up with 3 alchemical principles: sulfur, mercury, and salt. I know it sounds a little weird, sulfur, mercury, and salt, but think of it as sulfur, soul, mercury, spirit, salt, body. You have to have all 3 in alignment: your body, your mind, and your spirit. Because if your spirit is calling you to a different destination than your mind and your body, or if it's not in harmony, you're not going to manifest what you desire. You have energy going in opposite directions. And the same with the other 2. You know, if your body is weak, it's tired, your mind wants to work, your mind wants to get things accomplished, but your body says, no, can't do that, then guess what? You're just going to spin yourself in circles because your body isn't strong enough. Sulfur, mercury, salt, body, mind, spirit. 3 ancient alchemical principles. Now, what we did in Taos, New Mexico, with a group of people, is we charged their energy field with body, mind, and spirit energy. 3 separate attunements. In other words, we attuned their energy field to the highest version of themselves, so that they are now capable of manifesting anything that they desire. Well, I've been using this technique with select clients for years. Some of them have raised over $2.5 million. Others have won the lottery over $1 million. People have gotten back together with their ex, you know, over 2 years apart, coming back together in love and harmony. It's absolutely wonderful. It's incredible what you can do when you are operating in the flow. Oh, let's take a deep breath. In the flow. And one of the ways you get in the flow is learning the secrets of the 3 ancient alchemical principles and attuning yourself to your highest potential with those 3 secrets. And we're going to do that for you in a program called Manifesting Beyond Belief, just like the workshop we did in Taos, New Mexico, except you're going to get a chance to participate wherever you live, all around the world, on the internet. I want you to go to startmanifesting.com. Now here's the good news. There's no cost, there's no obligation, there's absolutely nothing to buy. You simply come there and let us teach you about manifesting beyond belief. We're going to share some of the secrets with you in the short hour that we'll be together. But I promise you that in that hour that you and I are together, you're going to take your life to a whole new level. You're going to uncover secrets within yourself that you never had. You know, the greatest secrets aren't out there. They're in here, and they're in here. And when you uncover those secrets, you unlock your potential. You unleash your ability to manifest just about anything you desire. So we have a date at startmanifesting.com. Now, we're only taking a limited number of people, so be certain to sign up today. It's free, there's no obligation. Go to startmanifesting.com. We hope to see you there. You'll be soaring like a big, beautiful eagle. You have a great day now, because you deserve it. Bye-bye.